This is our latest product. It will be released in January or at the end of the December. This is our mini Uzi. It comes with the CO2 magazine or the gas magazine. And we use the ED plating service process just like the real one. We also improve the hub rubber and use the latest internal for the CO2 and the gas. So you will have a good accuracy and more strong kick than the previous Uzi. And however, those upgrade keys also available for purchasing to upgrade our previous Uzi version, previous Uzi. Yes, yeah, no problem, man.
Is any longer magazine available? Is any longer magazine available for mini Uzi?
Yes, we use the longer magazine for the gas, and we use the short magazine for the CO2.
Oh,
yes,
yes.
Hello guys, this is AIRSOFT, and now I'm going to introduce some of our cool newest feature, new product to you guys. First, let's look about the M1891 Carcano. And we know we've been put some sample on the MOA exhibition a few years ago, and now here it is. We didn't forget it. And it will be the gas-powered airsoft. You can see this is a prototype of magazines over here. It will be the gas-powered airsoft, and we try our best to size the wood stock and some metal parts from the original. And next we have the MP3008 submachine gun. It's still a prototype, but it's fairly complete. We are still doing some adjustments, and we're still working on it, which is used by the really late war of the German army. And here, we built the Carcano TAK a couple years ago, and now we are testing about the grenade launcher of the Carcano TAK, and it will shoot the airsoft 40mm style of the grenade shells. And we are looking forward for the other version that the player can use on the field. And next one, we have the Carcano TAK AZ, which used by the stormtrooper of the World War I German army. And the same, we make the whole guns, and we are still working on some metal parts, rear sides, and you will be see, and we'll keep uploading more and more information on our Facebook. And here we finally put the wood stock on the M16A1, which has been well known as the popular game in the world called Fallout. And it's already in the final adjustments. We believe everyone will see it real quick. And this is AIRSOFT. Welcome.